Control C, and then we come over here to these tutorial trees, and we erase this guy and replace it, okay? And then I save it. Okay, so I go back out to the internet, and is it gonna be there? There it is, right? And then if I highlight it, this one, right? If I highlight it, you can see it, but this one that I put in there was the correct one that we already posted. So I kind of made a mistake there, what I wanted to show you.
Is tutorial 3?
Yeah, I'm just testing that again.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Actually, this should have been CSG, right? That's the one we just copied, uploaded, right? So we save it. We know it's there. We do an F5 there. So now we go ahead and say, all right, what the hell happened here?
You didn't refresh.
I didn't refresh. Probably not.
There it is.
There it is. How come it's forbidden? We didn't put it over there?
We
You
didn't
have to
put them
change
on
the
the rights.
The rights.
Yeah, right.
So right now, he knows that it's there, he knows exactly where the stuff is on that server, but you don't have any permission to go there. So we have to go back on this guy here. Okay, and actually, so we have a problem here because I need to close this guy here, I need to quit it, so that I have access to the keyboard. So what was the command that gave me the error, the rights?
CH mode?
CGS
No, to see.
404? Oh no, the 4 was the one.
DIR. DIR tells me that. Is there any other thing equivalent to DIR in Linux?
LS.
Yeah. If I do ls,
You teach it.
It's a less.
huh?
You teach
LS.
I know a little bit. So LX is not LS.
It's a less.
LS minus L.
Okay.
Yeah.
LS minus LA.
No, L.
What do you mean now?
Yes, LS. No,
There it is. Right?
Yeah, with attributes.
Right. So how about you want to know what was the file that was last updated?
Oops.
What do you mean you don't know?
Oh.
Did I never show it to you? Okay, minus T for time.
Right.
So what it does, it puts it in order, in alphabetical order by time. Okay, like in Windows. Same idea. So we need to go ahead and modify this guy to give it rights. So this is, how do we do this?
CH mode, right?
Okay, so it's C,
H
Mod.
mod,
7 something.
766.
7 something. I need
705.
705 in this case, right? And then I need to give it a name, and the name was CS something.
Yeah.
That's it. So notice that over here you have no access to it, and if I go ahead and do a directory, now you have access, just like the other guys. Okay, so if you go back out to the internet here, and
Refresh.
refresh that guy, you go back and refresh it,
Is it one permission?
1, and then you go back into it, there it is. No, simple. So I don't know exactly because he didn't tell me, but he got a system basically. I'm supposed to send him the student list, and he's supposed to add users on the server.
He's on
So every
vacation.
person will have a user that you can log into it, and then supposedly you use some kind of FTP software to upload the stuff, and then you do exactly the same thing you did over here. You go in there, you make any changes that you need to do, and that's it.
Isn't he on vacation?
He's on vacation now.
It's on vacation.
Nah, we shouldn't bother him.
You don't
No,
disturb
no.
him.
He's in China. But I want to make sure that you see, even though it's not exactly what he has,
Yeah.
Yeah.
so now you know.
Yeah.
It's so
Yeah, no,
simple.
It's good to know, yeah.
Yeah, it's so simple. NetBeans, not NetBeans, Network Solutions, and also the, what is it, the other big guy, Daddy something?
GoDaddy.
GoDaddy, and also AT&T, and all of the companies, they have these systems set up.
For the
And
free
they-
websites and all that?
Right?
For the free websites or for the server?
Basically, when you buy
The domain.
a domain,
Yeah.
and
Gives you a
you-
C panel, and then the C panel, they have
right,
everything already configured on, so you don't even have to get You don't need any other, it's on the CPAN.
Also, and if you need to upload it,
It's on the CPAN.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't need to download anything. Now everything's either on CPAN or on the Plex.
okay.
So everything's already built in.
Oh, okay, good. So it's making it easy, okay, but if you run into one that doesn't have that, then it's exactly what I showed you. You have different types of software, you download the software, and one to upload and the other one to take control and modify your stuff. They look exactly the same, maybe different colors, maybe bigger, smaller, but it's exactly the same idea. Two windows to do the up and load and download, and the other one just give you full control of the machine like you were there. Yes, ma'am.
And what is on the left side of the window and the right side? Is that your computer here and the right side something
Yeah,
else?
the left is your computer,
Is this one?
yeah, this
Okay.
laptop.
Okay.
The right side is the server where we have the
Okay.
webpage.
And then you go to Wolf, and that's like a website you can use.
Wolf is
to
one of the
upload
many
something?
servers.
Do you use that to upload like you did here?
Yeah, I uploaded, no, actually I uploaded to another server called CS, and then I
Mhm.
changed over to Wolf to take over. But you can do it with any server.
Oh,
I
okay.
don't know exactly how they have it, I assume, I've been in those places, but they don't talk too much about what's in there. But based on how it works, I assume they have a lot of servers, and then you have a section where you have all of the hard drives. And all of those servers have access to those hard drives. Because you can get in through any server, and you always get the same data. So it has to be some kind of a data server.
Well, they're not doing that any longer. They're broadcasting all the information to separate servers. So one goes down, they still have the information in the other ones. So all you have to do literally do is sign into one account, and that server is already connected to the domain server, which already broadcasts all the other information. You always have the information no matter what server you go into. all these
Right,
data
but the
sets.
data has to be in one place.
No, it's in all places.
In all places,
So if they have 10 servers, 10 servers have,
the same data?
right.
I think it's for redundancy, so like
Yeah.
it says if
Redundancy,
something comes
okay.
down, so you still
So
have
if
it
you-
there.
in
They're
the main-
switching from central to now the redundancy. So
Okay.
every new data center should have that implemented already.
Okay, like Google.
Like Google.
Okay. So when you update, when you go ahead and make the changes on one, automatically replicates all of the other ones?
Yeah. That's what it should be doing.
Okay, good. All right, so the other thing that I wanted to show you, this guy here, you know how I went into the G-Edit, and then to go back to the operating system, I have to cancel the G-Edit? The G-Edit has another function that the VI doesn't have, okay? So let's see, whatever. Let's say I'm doing this one, right? No pause, please. So let's assume that you want to have your editor, but at the same time you want to have your connection to the command line. So with gedit, you do the same thing, and then at the end you put the ampersand, if I can find it. This guy here. So that one actually splits it. It allows you to do the editor and also keep control of the command line. Okay, so you're still there, and you're still here. Okay, can the editor do that? Okay, any questions?